Rockslide Engineering, located in North Logan, Utah, is a manufacturing and engineering firm that has a modern facility with state-of-the-art equipment and serves the rapidly growing off-road market. Over the last few years, as the resources and supply chains have been a challenge, Rockslide Engineering has navigated through a manufacturing transformation to improve its process. Not only do we house a traditionally manual production line, but we recently opened a 30,000 square foot plant with Amada Automation as the centerpiece. This highly automated line includes the steel sheet storage tower and loader, the fiber laser, the parts removal, full and small press brakes, a welder with dual tables, as well as the multi-point GEMA powder coating process. Our automated part flow provides the industry a very high quality, tight tolerance product, as well as gives the customer a fantastic fulfill rate with innovative products that are proudly manufactured in the USA. Rockslide Engineering has been manufacturing products for the off-road industry for many years and is most known for its flagship product, the Step Slider. It began with the Jeep Wrangler platform, then added the Jeep Gladiator, followed by the recent Ford Bronco. We are now excited to announce the addition of the Toyota platform with products coming for the Tacoma and Tundra. Playing off our strengths of our patented Step Slider, we have developed the new Rock Slider for the Toyota Tacoma. Our Rock Slider construction is made of 11-gauge steel and internal quarter-inch gussets that provide solid protection to the rocker panel of the Tacoma in off-road conditions. The bolt-on, no drilling required application makes for an easy installation for the consumer.
What's up, guys? Quinn with 74 Weld. So had a chance to really wheel it quite a bit more. Had it up all through Big Bear, and then we're out at Rubicon Springs right now. Rockslide Engineering Rock Sliders. As you can see, they're pretty well used and abused. I can tell you that we bashed the hell out of these things on the Rubicon, and they held up. This side Rock Slider took a lot of pretty good hits. You can see all the fresh gouges on it. I'm impressed too on these. The gap along the body is still the same. So like, we hit these things hard a lot. If you run the Rubicon, you know that on a long wheelbase, especially on a Tacoma, you're gonna drag on a lot of stuff. We definitely use the sliders a lot.
We are excited about developing quality products for the Toyota platform with several new and innovative products coming out soon.